Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are celebrating Indian Constitution Day. So related to that, I will ask some questions and you have to give answer. And I will provide the 4 options for each question and you have to tell the right answer. Clear? So we are going to start the quiz competition today. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
My first question is: Indian Constitution came into force on. If you know answer, raise your hand. Indian Constitution came into force on 15 August 1947, 26 January 1950, 26 November 1949, 1st January 1951. Who has the answer? Yes, stand up. Please. Stand up, tell the answer. 26 January 1950. Right answer. Clap for him. Questions for you. First president of the Constitution Assembly was. First president of the Constitution Assembly was. If you know, yes. Very good. Clap for her. The next question. Equality ensure. No equal law, equal opportunity, no education, none. Wrong answer. Anyone more? Yes. Equal. That is right answer. Now the next question for you. Rajya Sabha is also known as House of People. Yes. Upper. Correct answer. Now the next question is maximum strength of Rajya Sabha. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha 200, 210, 250, 275. Anyone? Maximum strength of Rajya. Yes.
275.
Wrong answer. Anyone more? Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 200, 210, 250, 275. Anyone? Yes. Right answer. Very good. The next question is: the Parliament of India consists of. The Parliament of India consists of Lok Sabha only, Rajya Sabha only, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and President. Next, last option is Lok Sabha plus President. The Parliament of India consists of
Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and President.
very good, very nice. The President of India is elected for a term of 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. The President of India is elected for a term of 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years.
How many years? 5 years.
Yes, very good. And my very interesting question: who is the President of India? Anyone can give the answer.
President of India. Yeah, tell. Any?
President of India, Rashtrapati. Yes. Very good. Very nice. The next question. Supreme Court is the guardian of. Supreme Court is the guardian of constitutions, parliament, prime minister, fundamental rights. Yes, correct answer. Fundamental rights. Now the next questions for you. The term of the governor is, means how many years for? The term of the governor is 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years.
5 years.
Correct answer. Minimum age of the governor. Minimum age for the governor 25, 30, 35, no age. Anyone? What is the age for Lokapada? Raise your hands. Yes. Correct answer is 35, not 25. So that is wrong. Next question. Head of the state government. Real executive age. Who is the head of the state government? Governor, Chief Minister, President, Home Minister. Who is? Wrong. Head of the state governor. Government, state government. Yes. Yes. Chief Minister. And who is Chief Minister of India? Who is our Uttarakhand? Yes. He is the head of state government. The state legislative assembly is called. The state legislative assembly is called Lok Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, Vidhan Sabha, Rajya Sabha. The state legislative assembly is called Lok Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, Vidhan Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Anyone? Correct answer is Vidhan Sabha.
Once you can give answer because today no minus marking.
Minimum age for president. Minimum age for president 25, 30, 35, 40. Yes, correct answer is 35. The next question for you. Freedom of speech is under article. Freedom of speech is under article 18, 19, 20, 21. Freedom of speech is under article.
Yes, yes, try. I said no negative one.
Hmm? No, I'm asking that freedom of speech is under article 18, second option 19, third option 20, fourth option 20. The correct answer is 19. The correct answer is
19.
how many members signed the constitution? 252, 284.
Yes.
The correct answer is 284. 284 members signed the constitution. Understand? Present number of schedules. How many schedules are total? 10, 11, 12, 13. Right answer. Correct. Maximum strength of Lok Sabha 500, 545, 552, 600. What is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha total strength 500, 545, 552, 600.
Third option.
552. Okay. Right answer 552. Sit down. Who appoints the Prime Minister? Who appoints the Prime Minister? Wow, yes.
President.
The correct answer is President. President appoints the Prime Minister. Very good. Right answer. The President of India is elected for term. How many years for we are selecting the President of India? 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years? Yes. Correct answer is 5 years. And the last question for you. Indian Constitution was adopted on.
Adopted on
26 November 1949.
Right answer. Clap for each other.